Hello there, I am Dara Adamo. This is the first in our video series of UWP Controls demo. In the next video series, we'll be discussing the grid view and the list view. I'd like us to get started as soon as possible. So you could get the code samples for this demo at aka.ms/UWP Textbox. Okay, so let's get started with our text box. Okay, so I have my Visual Studio open. I've already written the code for the text box. So sorry, I have to go to the text box code. Okay, so basically I did 7 kinds of text box for us. So basically in the UWP platforms, if you understand coming from the Windows 8 and the Windows 8 Jump platforms, you could not put the input scope for your text boxes. So Windows 10, the UWP platform has made that quite easy for us. So when you're typing something on your phone, you want to enter a phone number, you don't want to see the text, and all that. When you're typing text, you don't want to see the number. So I'll just run this demo for us to see how it looks in our mobile phone emulator. Mind you, you can run this on your local machine. I just tried using the mobile emulator for myself. Okay, so this is the control. Basically, if I type this, you can see the text help coming up for me. So this is the basic text box, and then also another text box of another kind, but now with the header. You can see right over here, this is the header for the text box, but this has no header. If you look at our code, see there's the first text box right over here, and this the second one with a header. And the previous Windows 8, Windows 8, by default you don't have these controls, and then this allows you to enter the numerical value of things straight from the box. You could see the difference between this and this one actually, and then this is the chat text. You realize when you're chatting, you use some abbreviation to know that I don't want to do some autocorrect. So the chat context of your input scope helps you do that. And then also you have the email name or address field, so you can see the @ symbol showing up and then the com. Note that in the normal text box that doesn't show up for you. You can see the difference. And then also the telephone number, so you can add different things in the telephone number just like you enter normal telephone number. So this is the code for it. You can get it in the link I shared with you, aka.ms/UWP Textbox. So basically, this is all I did. No extra things, nothing in my backend. I could show you that. So this is just basically what I did. So you have the normal text box. I put some comments there for you to help you. So this is the link you can get the sample aka.ms/UWP Textbox. Okay. Okay. So you can get it at this link. Alright, so this, as I said earlier, this is normal text box, one with a header, and then with the input, one with the input scope of numbers, one with the charts without the autocorrect stuff, and then the email address with the @ and the com symbols, and then you have the telephone number input scope. You could do more with this actually. If I was to do that, I'll do this. Let's say text box input scope. You have different kind of input, alphanumeric, chart, Chinese, date number, date year, digit, email, formula, and so on. As many as you want. As you want your application to be rich, you define your input scope. So I'll just click this up and save it. Okay, so thank you very much. In the next video series, we'll be looking at list view and grid view. So stay tuned. Thank you very much.